Hey you guys, it's me Rachel, and today I am back with how or where I placed my clip-ins for a braid out tutorial. The first thing I do is prep my foil paper that I'm going to use at the ends of my hair. And I know it sounds crazy, but I linked the video under my last video of the clip-ins on how a girl curled her entire head with foil paper, and it turned out really nice. So I didn't have any perm rods, and I thought this would work for the ends of my hair. So as you guys can see, I'm just cutting out a square, and I'm going to make, I don't really have any measurements, but it's basically just however wide you want it to be. So I'm going to cut it out and then simply just roll it up kind of hard. You want to roll it kind of circular and make sure it doesn't have any like hard edges, if that makes any sense. But yeah, do not use this foil paper, you guys. I got it from Walgreens and it is horrible. So if you have like a Walmart, definitely get like the Reynolds brand, I think it is. But you want it to be really sturdy so that when you bend it, it's kind of like strong. I don't really know how to explain, but yeah. So I folded them up, and then this is what I came up with, and yeah. You're going to use those to curl the end of your hair and just cut them in half, and they work perfectly. Okay, so now moving on to the placement. I'm going to start off with a 2-clip weft, and I'm putting it literally at the base of my neck. If you guys missed the first video, this is their 16-inch set, and it does come with 10 pieces. I'm going to end up with 13, I believe, because I did take one of the 4-clip wefts, and I went ahead and cut it into like a 2-clip weft, I think, and a 1. So I did have essentially like 3 more pieces. So yeah, moving on to number 2, I'm going to use another 2-clip weft, and I'm going to put that right on top, but a little bit more to the right because the 2-clip wefts aren't wide enough to cover the whole back. So I just do one a little more to the right, and then this next one I'm about to do, number 3, is another 2-clip weft, and I'm going to put it a little bit more to the left, if you guys get what I'm saying. Now there's a lot of talking going round about the way me and you can. Moving on to clip number 4, I'm going to go ahead and put this one in, and after this one I'm going to go ahead and do 2 regular braids straight down and curl the ends of those braids with foil paper, and then move on to the next section. Stop trying to get the best of me, no matter what they say, baby. Gotta move on. So now I'm adding clip number 5, I believe, and this is going to be a 3-clip weft, and I'm just going to add it right in the middle and then move on to the next. I'm going to add clip number 6, and that is another 3-clip weft. Now I'm adding clip number 7, and this is another 3-clip weft, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm keeping it like behind the ears for the back part, because you want the back part to be really full and nice. Okay, so clip number 8 is going to be a 4-clip weft, and then clip number 9 is also going to be a 4-clip weft as well. Okay, so I basically have the back part done, but now I need to do the parts that frame my face. So in order to do that, this is when I started to cut my other 4-clip weft that I had into, I'm pretty sure I got a 2-clip weft out of it and a 1, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm just parting my hair down the middle because I wanted to do a middle part with this, and then I'm going to part my hair for the side clips, and I'm going to go ahead and put two-piece side clips on both sides. So you guys will see them, but on this left side I'm going to do a 2-clip, and then on the right side I'm going to do a 2-clip. For my last two pieces, I'm going to use these two 1-clip wefts, and I don't remember if I cut these out myself or not, but you guys will see when you get your set. And compared to how many I have, you can literally just cut one of the big 4-clip wefts, because personally for my head it couldn't fit all the way around anyway. So after this, I went through and applied product and braided all that hair, but it's definitely better to braid and add product as you go. So I would recommend that. And this is the next day. This is how many braids I had. I think I counted about 10. Yeah, maybe 10, but this is where they are. This is where everything's placed. And you guys can see how I braided the hair in what part. So yeah, I think it turned out really, really nicely, but this one I didn't let dry enough, which is why I didn't do like a full intro on it, but this is how it looked the next day. And then this is how it looked the first time that I did it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed and you guys check out better length. I think this is a super cute summer style. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.